Let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to Xilir Technologies. Today I am going to demonstrate a project named Smart Helmet for Soldier working in hazardous areas. So in this project, what it will do, it will sense parameters of different gases like sulfide, and then smoke, LPG, then CO2, CO, and different gases it will sense, and it will, after sensing, give parameter to web server. Okay, and in this project what we are using LCD here, which will show parameter values like MQ135 parameters are showing, then MQ7, then humidity, temperature, then we have Arduino Uno microcontroller, then we have IR sensor, just to show that if helmet is not weared, it will make sound. Okay, and if it is not properly weared, it will be making sound, siren sound, like you heard, you must have heard. Then we have ESP8266, this is Wi-Fi module. Then we have temperature humidity sensor. Okay, if you heat it, it will increase the temperature, and if you like spray some moisture near it, it will increase the humidity. Then we have buzzer here to show that parameter exceeded, and we have again, this is gas sensor, and here we have one kit which is your tracking kit, GPS GSM tracking. You can add here. Okay, and if the person is in trouble, unconscious, then in the case of emergency, he or she can press button. Okay, and message will be received on phone. And then we have this website Synopsis, which is demonstrating, or you can say this is showing live value. Okay, and for more details, please check description. And we can change some parameters, like improve the parameter, add on the features like health monitoring. Things can be added here as required. We can improve this. Okay, and this can be used for your army demonstration purpose, defense demonstration purpose, and college student also can use this project. Okay, like final year students. Okay, thank you guys. Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware, projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drones-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check the description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.